Yes, for those who have been asking us about solar equipment, the cheapest solar equipment that can be able to take the TV, whether your 65 inches, your 32 inches, 45 inches, how many inches TV you have in your house. We have solar that can take it, your fan and your lights, and even charge phone for you. See, you can only take your TV, your fan, your lights, and your sound system in the house, and you charging your phone. You can't take more than that. And today we give you the cheapest one, going for just 390,000. Going for just 390,000. The cheapest solar system you can ever get. So this is a 1000 watts inverter we will give to you. This inverter can supply the lights, carry all these things that I just mentioned, and it also come with charger in case if you want to. If there is NEPA, you can also use NEPA to charge the battery. And today we also give you a controller that will help the panel to charge the battery for you, and we also give you solar cable for installation and the battery 100 amps with them. We also give you 100 amps battery. Yes, we also give you 100 amps battery and panel. We are giving you 190 watts panel. As you can see, we give you 190 watts panel. We are giving you 2 pieces. This panel, 2 pieces. We are giving you 2 pieces of this panel with the battery, controller, cable, inverter, everything going for 390,000 naira. Last price 390,000 naira. And for this package, we don't do pay small. We don't do pay small. We don't do easy buy. We don't do instrumental payments. We don't do something like that. We are located at Alaba International Market, Lagos. Alaba International Market, Ojo, Lagos. You can come to our office and patronize us. If you are not in Lagos, you can do a bit to any location here. You are in Abuja, Sokoto, Calabar, anywhere, Akwa Ibom, Sokoto, anywhere you can do a bit to you. We have installer for that will come and install it for you. We don't do payment on delivery. If you want to patronize us, you can send someone in Lagos to come to our office and see what you want to buy. Then you can pay. We deliver to you whether you are in Ibadan or anywhere you are. Akure, we can deliver to you. So this one is going for 390,000 naira. You can carry TV, your lights, your fan, your sound system, and you charge your phone in the house. Thank you. So here is Empire Solar Energy Nigeria Limited, and I'm here to give you the cheapest solar for those who don't want to use heavy loads, who don't want to use AC, who don't want to use fan. You just need it for your shop, and you want to have 247 lights in your shop or in your house. We are here to give you cheapest solar system. This solar system, when fully charged, it can take you 8 hours. It can carry your television, it can carry your fans, it can carry the lights in the house, and your laptop. It can carry your fan and charge your phones. Do you understand? It can carry more than that. It can carry your television, your fan, the lights in the house, your TV, your fan, the lights in the house, your charging system and sound system and laptop. So this system is going for 750,000 last price. This is the best price you can get it, 750,000 naira. And here we will be giving you 300 watts panel. 300 watts panel, 2 pieces of 300 watts panel, and we give you cable, solar cable for the installation. I will give you MPPT controller, MPPT solar controller, and we'll give you 1 kVA inverter system and 220 amps battery. This system is capable of giving you lights. If you open your shop, it will give you light until you close your shop in the night. And this system is capable of giving you light in the house. For someone who doesn't want to carry a lot of, you just want light to be in your house every day, steady. You don't want to carry much thing. You just want the light to be in your house every day. This system is for you. It's going for 750,000 naira. You can do delivery to every state in Nigeria, and we have installers in every state in Nigeria to come and install it for you. So installation is not a problem. But the package, only the solar product, is 750,000 naira. We don't do payment on delivery at all, and we don't do easy buy. You don't do pay small. I beg. We know they do easy buy. We know they do instrumental payment. We are in Alaba International Market, Lagos. If you need the product, you can come and buy from us. We don't do payment on delivery. You can come to office. We are verified. Come and buy from us. Or you can send someone. You can send your brother or your sister who is in Lagos. Come and see what you want to buy. Then you can buy from us, and we'll give you installer in your location to come and install it for you. We give you installer at Sabah everywhere. Port Harcourt, we have in Warri, we have Enugu, Onitsha, we have Uyo, we have in Ibadan, we have in Akure, Lagos, anywhere, Abuja, we have installer for you, Sokoto, we have installer for you. So you can come and patronize us. It's going for just 750,000 naira. So my phone number is there in my bio. You can call me or you can WhatsApp me, and I will get to you. Thank you.